if you're looking at a design on your screen and want to zoom in, that's what the little magnifying glass with the plus on it. We are going through lots of different videos on the BERNINA 570 sewing machine and embroidery machine, and they're all free. Make sure you check out the entire playlist of all the videos that we have done. So to do the zooming options, we're touching the magnifying glass. Then we can actually zoom in on the area you want. So as you move in closer, and then you can even kind of move it side to side and zoom in on an actual stitch. So why would we actually need to zoom in on a design like this? Number one, if we were putting, say, a monogram in the middle of something, where you can get in really close and see if you're positioning in the right place. Maybe you've sized it and you want to make sure that it's not touching some of the actual edges. So a lot of times too, when you're maybe putting more than one line on screen, that will allow you to make sure that your spacing is looking good. Really zoom in and see that it is looking to your liking. Remember, what you see on screen is what you're going to get. As soon as you zoom all the way back out to its normal setting, it will bounce back to the original screen. So remember, you can zoom in on any area of the design, and this can also help with the virtual positioning option. And we have done a video on how that particular function will allow you to place your design anywhere on the fabric.